Hey there, in today's video, we're going to delve into a problem that many developers face when working with MS Windows icons. The issue at hand revolves around the challenge of finding and loading 256x 256px icons from resources in .exe and .dll files. It seems like the documented Windows API falls short when it comes to handling these specific icon resolutions. Let's explore why this problem arises and how it can be addressed effectively. In the solution provided, it was highlighted that the byte size fields bwidth and bheight in the grpsconiarentry struct are unable to accommodate the number 256, leading to failures in fetching 256x 256px icons. However, it was noted that Windows has been supporting 256 by 256 pixel icons since Windows Vista. An interesting fact pointed out was that in Windows 95, the value 0 was accepted to represent a width or height of 256, showcasing the evolution of the ICO file format over time. This evolution necessitates special handling in code implementations, such as the DLL2 icon function, to cater to cases where bwidth and/or bheight report a value of 0 for 256x 256px icons. To wrap things up, it's clear that there's no need for any secret or undocumented API to enable support for 256x 256px icons in Windows. While the APIs have adapted to handle evolving file resource formats, developers working with icon resources need to be aware of these internal intricacies for seamless integration. By understanding the history and nuances of icon resolution handling in Windows, developers can navigate challenges effectively and ensure optimal performance in their applications. Thanks for tuning in. And remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts, or any coding jokes you might have.